Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm excited to share a useful tip with you today that'll help you manage your Gmail storage more efficiently. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to sort and filter emails by size in Gmail. So let's jump right in and declutter that inbox. So the first step is to open your Gmail account. In the search bar at the top, tap size, colon, and then followed by the size you want to search for. For instance, like this, size and MB. Or you can search size 5 MB, anything that you want to look for. And then Gmail will show you emails that match the size criteria you entered. You can further refine the search by adding keywords or specific senders in the search bar. So to free up storage, select the emails you want to delete. You can do this by clicking the check boxes next to the emails. Once you've selected the emails, click the trash bin icon to delete them. Don't worry, Gmail keeps deleted emails in the trash for 30 days before they're permanently gone. So by sorting and filtering emails by size, you're making sure your Gmail storage stays neat and tidy. And that's it. You've just learned how to sort and filter emails by size in Gmail to efficiently manage your storage. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on sorting and filtering emails by size in Gmail. See you on my next video.